Hey traders, Raghee here, and in this update we're going to continue on with the day trades that we've been talking about throughout the last couple of weeks, especially in August where we have lower volume, sometimes lower volatility, and really summer has been condensed into August, and most especially the first 2 weeks. It makes even more sense to be nimble, and that is exactly what we've been doing. So let's take a look at crude oil. Crude opened up weak and it persisted in the weakness, but we only know that after the fact. How do we trade it while this weakness is happening so we could take advantage of that elevator going down? The bell rings at 9:30, and so this is where most of us are going to get active looking for a setup. Take a look at how we've inherited a downtrend. Really important. What kind of trend, neutral, up or down, are we getting at the bell? It doesn't always happen that we're going to have a trend up or down at the bell, but crude oil already lit up red bearish momentum, red bearish trend. That makes the choice for what we're going to do really easy. And how many opportunities do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 opportunities before about 10:15 to get short. 6 different 5-minute candles in a red over red environment bouncing up against the wave. If you don't have the wave on your charts and you're trying to trade trends, make it really easy on yourself. The wave and the grab candles are going to help out a lot. Check them out over at countdowntrader.com. You can download them for free. That was a big part of exactly why and what we did with crude. Now, I'll also point out, yes, we did have the HPMRs, but actually, crude really wasn't that volatile on the way down, and that's where we can surf the wave. And having both these tools, a price-based trending tool and a time-based volatility tool working for us. But this was classic wave follow-through. And that's the way that if you have a trend kicking off the morning, it's exactly something you can do. We took this trade. Now, the trades that I talked to you about in these videos, these are trades that we took in the Sector Secrets room and in the futures room. And this would be through the MCLU contract or the CLU contract. So these are September crude oil, full size or micro contracts. There are options for CL. So if you wanted to play the option on that, clearly with 5 different opportunities at the short, look how easy that is to identify. There were plenty of opportunities for that as well. And in this case, let's talk about what kind of points here. So even the lowest entry was right around 90, and I'm even calling that one a little lower than it was. It was probably closer to about 90.20, right? So 90.20 down to support took us to about 88.5 conservatively, right? So 90.20 to 88.5. So for those of you wondering, okay, Rog, what are we talking about here with crude? It's $100 a point, and you're talking day trading margin, which can be as low as $500. So really nicely leveraged move, lower risk, because at no time was the risk greater than the width of the wave. So at no point really did we have more than about a 50 to 70 cent risk with, in this case, but a $2, $1.50 downside. So really nice risk reward ratio when we have a trend identified by the multi-trend tool here at the bottom of the chart. Beautiful setup. And these kinds of day trades, gang, this is going to be what we persist in doing at least through the remainder of August, definitely through mid-month. So keep an eye on those 5-minute time frames. Come join us in the Simpler Futures, the Sector Secrets Mastery Room. These are ideally positioned morning day trades to keep an eye on. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.